Hey, today we're taking my ETM RTR to the state capitol to do hood rat activities with my friends. Okay, friends might be a stretch because I only know maybe one guy that might go to the ride, but strangers are just friends you haven't met yet, right?
5:30, shots fired. Can we get an EMS code 3?
Now, before we do that, we're gonna take the RTR, but we've got a couple things that I just wanna get cleaned up on this thing, like this and these grips and the ignition, so let's do that. So I originally cut these grips for the handguards, but we took off the handguards, so I've just got some new ones we're gonna throw on here. All right, so we naturally can't find any bolts or nuts for this, so zip ties should save the day. Okay, just like that, headlights on. You know, isn't perfect, but this is actually gonna be a temporary solution because we're losing this whole headlight altogether. You guys will see what's actually to come soon, but I'm really excited for it. Okay, only other thing we have to fix is the ignition. We have this here. We've been just running this guy for the ignition, which is just a hot wire. So when you plug this in, the bike obviously works, but we want to actually have a key. So shout out Electron Co. They sent over a new ignition, so we got to get this set up. Almost there, baby. This thing is such a pain to get out. There we go. Absolutely mangled it. All right, so here's the new one. And it has these little tabs on each side that depress. That's what made it so hard to get out, but we'll just slide this new one in through here. There we go. Ignition works. Cool, and now we're good to go. We'll get this just plugged back in, and we finally have a functioning key once more. Guys, please excuse the mess that this garage is, but we are going to take the 72 volt 45 amp hour touring battery today just to get extra range riding in a place that I'm not that familiar with. So this will be gas bikes and e-bikes, so I'm a little interested / scared to see how law enforcement is gonna be, but we'll see what happens. But let's get this thing loaded up. Okay guys, it turns out I'm stupid and we're not riding in the Capitol at all. Maybe the Amish Capitol. This ride is at Reservoir Park. There's one in Harrisburg and there's one in Lank, but I'm glad that I talked to my buddy Logan beforehand. In classic ConnorG fashion, I am pulling up late. I don't even know what my battery's at. I had it plugged in. I have no clue what battery percentage it's at, so hopefully it's high, but whatever. Let's get out. I'll save us some time and I'll see you on the GoPro. All right, so we linked up with Logan. Shout out Logan. And dipshit Connor only has his battery charged to 68%. We'll be fine, hopefully. This is the touring pack, so it lasts a long time. I would have liked to have it be more charged. Alas. And there's Lancaster County Prison. Hopefully we don't end up there today. Right. We got the bikes out.
Is that Connor?
Yeah, what's good, dude? What's good, bro?
Are you on YouTube?
Yes, sir.
My brother watches you all the time. I watch your videos every day.
Hey, I appreciate that.
I subscribe to you. Are you gonna post it on YouTube?
Yeah, I'm gonna post it.
Subscribe.
We're out with Major League gas bikes. Oh, yeah. All the bikes out. We love to see it. That would be ripping so much harder if I knew my battery wasn't so low. I'm actually so bummed. The range anxiety is real. Bruh, these guys are crazy. The no handbrake. These guys are next level good riders. I'm not a rider, guys. I'm just a content creator. The banshee. Yeah, buddy. This guy is different, dude. We got the two-stroke bike life outside, baby. No handbrake. No handbrake. Off the limiter. Woo! Look at these boys. Oh! It's funny because it's like we're not even riding in the city. We're just riding on country roads. Oh my God. Holding it up for the electric guys, Logan. See guys, an RTR can keep up even with the big 450s and the Can-Ams. I see some other e-bikes. My chain is loose as fuck. 54 still, for real? RTRs unite. Every color. Now we're back in what seems to like have some semblance of a city. My chain is super loose. I should have tightened it. Talk about this last video, how I need to tighten my shit. Look how inclusive Lank is. They've got dirt bikes, e-bicycles, Can-Ams, all of it. There we go. Wheelies on the RTRs. So every RTR here can wheelie. That's good to know. Nice. He's doing it on the dirt tires too. Go on the 300, which brings me back to my CRF 250L days. Apologies in advance, guys. There's definitely not a lot of talking in this one, but that's because, look at us. We're outside. Oh, just a beautiful Saturday. Uh-oh. Cops? Ruh-roh, Raggy. Did he get caught?
I think the bike bogged down or something.
Oh. Oh no! Damn. He just lost his bike.
The boy was driving the bike right now. That was
His hip, yeah, fuck, dude. Well, things seem to have deteriorated here. My chain's a little loose and I don't love that. Well, I don't know what we're doing from here. Oh, there's the bike, damn. Probably shouldn't just hang out here. Hanging out where the cops are is probably not the plan. Why am I leading, dude? I don't know where the frick I'm going. Alright, well the ride seems to have lost some of its pizzazz, seeing as I think one of the ride leaders. It was one of the ride leaders whose bike got lost. What's up?
I don't know, Mike. What's up?
No, what's good, dude? Shit is so loose. Yeah, let's maybe not hang here anymore. Is that a Suron too? Oh, let's roll. Yikes. Big yikes. Dude, they just got a kid on a freaking Suron. Dude, imagine how that kid's gonna feel when he walks outside and sees him just standing there. The ride was fun while it lasted. I think I might have made my chain too tight now. Yeah, I don't really know where we're riding at this point. It's just all e-bikes now. The Rideout was dissolved. Oh, this is where like a AA baseball team plays, I'm pretty sure. Where the hell are we going? Alright guys, well we're gonna ride just a little bit more. I've got like 38%, 36%, excuse me. Battery did fine all day today, starting even at 66, so we're chilling, but we're just gonna ride a little bit more till this thing's dead, and then we're gonna call it, but...
Bro got it down.
Get out of my way! Alright, well I'm down to 16. Sounds like we're heading back. I gotta turn now. Fun ride though.